Hello, my dear students. It is with immense pleasure that I share with you this tool named DID Studios. And I'm really grateful that I'm sharing this tool with you all because probably I think this would be one of that tools that will change a lot for you just like it did for me. So I've been using DID for a while now and it's been quite helpful. You can see that on my LinkedIn page. If you haven't seen my LinkedIn page, it will be in the description somewhere in the resources section. So let's start with DID. So folks, DID is technically a company that is doing some real good job with AI as far as beginner steps of AI are concerned. And it is a good step towards AI development. So the game for DID setup is really simple. You need to have an email, you need to type in your email, you will get a link of some sort. Once you get the link, you will be redirected to a page where you will have all these things. And then you're going to be asked a question and all of that, and bang, you have the DID trial with 20 credits. Now, folks, you need to understand 20 credits basically means you can create videos up to 5 minutes. That basically means for every 15 seconds, you will be debited with 1 credit. Okay, one of your credits is going to be removed after every 15 seconds. So that is how it works. So when we start, we have already worked with Leonardo AI. So we take a picture from Leonardo AI. It could be a picture of a man, woman, girl, boy, whatever. An ancient character, a mythical character, a complete fictional, non-fictional, anything of your choice. Whatever makes you comfortable should be the one that you should be picking. So don't take my advice on that. Do whatever on earth you like with that. Okay? So that should be my humble suggestion to you all. Once you have done that, all you need to do is we have the photo in the right big place. It's gonna take a few seconds to load. It's gonna get loaded. Then we have the audio. Now where are we gonna get the audio from? Simple. We are gonna get the audio from 11 Labs as I've already discussed. So I already have an audio clip ready. So once you have the audio clip ready, you upload it. Because I have so many audio files, it's gonna take a little time for me to find it because most of you are starting with the AI tool, so it'll be really easy to find your audio file. Make sure you name it properly. These were the basic steps. So once you do that, now the problem folks I'm having with DID in the past few days is that, and the reason why I didn't cut this part from the shooting was that DID was not responding well. It was asking for subscribing to the pro version. It was like subscribe to the pro version for this and this. So I refreshed it a bunch of time, did a little bit of here and there, a little up and down, a little here and there, a little right and left, refreshing it and going to the email that I put in and then clicking on the link again and then typing it again and doing a little common sense stuff. If you are having problems with DID, do let me know in the Q&A section or in the comment section. If you're having still gonna have problems with DID, then please do something. What I've done in the video is that you go to the free trial thing, press it, a new window is gonna open, whether you're using it on a phone or on a PC, Mac, whatever. Then you start working with that. If that doesn't help you, delete all of your stuff, the photos, the audios, all of that, and then redo the step again that I've already explained. It is definitely gonna work. It has worked for me. That's the reason why I didn't cut this from in the post-production process. I asked people not to do that. Why? Because I need to show the steps where I as a teacher actually got stuck while using an AI tool that I suggested to my dear students. Now once you're done with that, you just go there and you just generate the video. It is going to take away some credits from your account. Probably 1 if it's under 15 seconds and 2 if it's under 30 seconds. Once you're done with that, you can see the video, you can preview it, you can see it over and over again. Have fun with it. As you can see, there is a DID watermark already in it because we're using the freemium version. So it's gonna be there, no problem. Once you have it, you can download it, you can keep it in a computer, keep it in your files, in your drive, in Dropbox, Google Drive, whatever. You can share it online with your friends. You can share it with me on LinkedIn, put it on your LinkedIn, tag me on LinkedIn and tell me how it was. And that is how you do it. Have fun with it. Make sure you do not put the picture of some famous personality because DID will not allow it to happen, especially in case of politicians. So that is how you play with DID, that is how you work with DID, and that is how easy it is to do with DID. I hope this was really helpful. Thank you for everything, and I'll see you in the next lecture with something new for you.